Hello everyone, welcome you all in this course titled Digital Logic and Circuit Simulation, in which we cover how we perform binary subtraction with the help of 1's complement and 2's complement. So let's understand how we perform a binary subtraction by using 2's complement, 1's complement, similarly by using 10's complement, 9's complement, or by using r's complement and r minus 1 complement. So let us discuss it through by taking some appropriate example. Binary subtraction using 1's complement and 2's complement. Binary subtraction using 1's complement and 2's complement. Let us take, there are 4 scenarios here. First scenario is what? When both number are positive or positive. Second scenario, when subtrahend is less than the minute. Third is when subtrahend is greater than and fourth one is when both minute and subtrahend are negative numbers. So let us discuss case one by one. When both number are positive, first is when, first case, when both number are positive, when both number are positive, this means there is no need of complement, just we write a binary equivalent of that number and then we perform a binary addition, there is no need of subtraction. There are two type of representation of positive number. One is the unsigned binary representation and another one is the signed binary representation. Let us take example one by one. Unsigned binary representation means none of the bit are used for representing a signed bit, but when we use a signed bit representation, most significant bit is fixed for representing a signed bit. When the most significant value is 0, this means this represents the number as positive, and when most significant bit value is 1, then this represents a number as negative. And in case of signed, for representing a signed values or signed number, we use the concept of complements of number. So how we perform a addition when the number are signed means all the bits. Here we simply perform addition by using a 8-bit fixed binary format for representing a signed number, and that format is also used for representing a unsigned number. Here suppose we perform addition that is in unsigned, in case of unsigned, and then we discuss same for a signed number. Here there is no bit is fixed for representing a signed number. So let us take, suppose we perform the addition is what, 125 plus 125. When we talk about a decimal addition, this is what 550, carry goes to 1, this means this is 5, and this is, suppose this is 20, this is 5, and this is 2 to 4, and this is what 5, 4, 2. 2, 4, 5 in base 10. How we perform? We write it in a 8-bit format of unsigned number, means there is no bit fixed for representing a sign because numbers are positive, and only positive numbers are represented by using a unsigned bit. That's why the range of allowed values are more as compared to the range of allowed values in case of signed representation when we use a fixed bit format for representing both signed and unsigned number. So let us take what are the 125 is represented like what? This is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Again 120 is represented like as, this is simply 0, this bit is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the binary representation of nothing but a binary representation of a 125, and this is a binary representation of 120. Why? Because we know what are the bit of corresponding position, and when we add the bit corresponding to each and every position in which the bit value is 1, then we will find that this number is equivalent to 125 in decimal, and this number is equivalent to 120 in decimal, and this is the binary. Here when we perform addition, what happens here? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, then again 1, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 0, then 1, 1, here 1 goes carry, this is again 1, again 1 goes carries, this is 1, 1, 3, 3 is 1 here, that is again 1, and this is 1. So since all the bits are used for representing, there is no bit is used for representing a sign, all the bits are used for representing a number. That's why here all the 8 bits, and then we simply compute the, for this is the addition of two binary numbers, and when we convert this result into a decimal, this is what? This is 2 to the power 8, means 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 0 multiplied by plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 4, because corresponding to this bit position the bit value is 0. 2 to the power 4 bit position, the bit value is 0. Similarly, the corresponding to 2 to the power 3 bit position, the bit value is 1. So this is also equal to 2 to the power 3 plus again this is 0 plus this is 1. This is what are 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0. This means, so simply this is equal to what? When we compute, this is equal to 128 plus 2 to the power not 8, 2 to the power 7 plus 6, total number of 8 bits are there. So this is 128 plus 2 to the power 6 means 64 plus 32 plus 2 to the power 4, that is 765 4 3 2 1, that is also 0 plus that is 1. So this is what? 32 plus 0 plus 2 to the power 3 means that is equal to 2 to the power 3, that is 0. This is multiplied by 0, that is also 0. This 2 to the power 4, this is 1. This is 1, that 34, this is 16 plus 0 plus what? 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, that is 4, that is 4 plus 2 to the power 1 means 0 plus 2 to the power 0 means 1. So this value is equal to what? This is equal to this value is equal to simply 245, which is in base 10. So in this way we will perform a addition of two number in signed bit format. But when we add the same two numbers in a signed bit format, means here when addition by using 8-bit for first format, addition of two signed number. In case of first, means both number is positive. Suppose first number is what? Plus 125 and second number is what? That is minus plus 120, means 125 plus 120, that is equal to 245. And same way for representing it in a 2's complement or 1's complement, the positive number is just like represented as a binary equivalent of that number in a given bit format. This is simply represented as what? So here 125 is just previously written as this: 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1, and what is 120? That is 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, and when we add both number, this is 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Here we see that since the most significant bit is represent a sign, here we see that this is a positive number, sign is 0, means this represents a positive number, this sign is 0, this represents a positive number. But here in the resultant bit, the sign bit is different, means here this represents a negative number. So since the sign bit of both minute and means first number and second number are 0, means both are positive number, but the sign bit of result is different, means 1. This means this is the condition of overflow. So this is a first case, and when suppose the this is simply 125, suppose first number is 65 and another number is plus 60, then how we add these two numbers and what will be the result? So simply 65 in 8-bit format is represented like this is 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1, and similarly 60 is represented like what? This is 0 0, 60 means 32, this is 1, this is 16, 48 plus 8 plus 4, this is 0 0. So this is the binary equivalent of this is what? Binary equivalent of 65, this is binary equivalent of 60, and then we perform a addition operation that is known as binary addition. What will be the result? That is 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. Again here we see that since this there is no extra carry bit, but the result sign bit is same as the previous two number sign bit. This means the result is same as the number, means if the both added numbers are positive, then the result is also positive. And what is the result? We convert the binary equivalent of rest 7-bit. So this is simply what? This is the result is what? The result is this is equivalent to 125 base 10. So in this way we perform a addition when both number are positive. In case of representation is unsigned representation, or representation is signed representation. Signed representation means generally we use a 2's complement or 1's complement representation for adding and subtracting a number, but here for finding a 1's complement of positive number, as we already discussed, this representation is same as the representation of binary equivalent of that number in given bit format. Let us discuss with the help of how we perform second case second, when subtrahend is less than the minute. Subtrahend is less than minute. Let us take an example. Suppose here the first number is 125 in decimal and second number, then we subtract what, that is 65. What will be the result in case of decimal? Simply the result is what? Result is 5 minus 5, that is 0, then 12 minus 6, that is 6. Result is 60. How we perform it with the help of ones complement? So first here we use with the help 125, that number is positive, and in ones complement it is same as the binary equivalent of in 8-bit format of 125. We know 125 binary equivalent is what? This represents a sign bit position and rest are 7 bits are represents a number. This is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. This represents a 125. And what is minus 65? So first what? First we convert the binary equivalent of 65. First we find binary equivalent of 65 in 8-bit format. So for binary equivalent of 65 in 8-bit format is what? Binary equivalent of 65 means first 2 bits are sign bit is 0 for representing a plus 65, this bit is also, then 65 means this is 1 not a 0, 1 0 0 0 0 1. This represents what? 64 plus 1, that is 65. Then for representing a minus 65 we take a, suppose we perform by using a 2's complement notation. Here we take a 2's complement of 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. What is 2's complement? We know that starting from least significant bit up to first non-zero digit or bit, the number is number retained as same and rest zeros are converted into 1 and ones are converted into 0. So this means this is first is already a 0 1, that means 1, then every zeros are replaced 5 times 1 1 1 1 1, then this is 1 that is replaced by 0, then this is 1. Here we see that this sign bit is 1, this means this represents, this is the 2's complement notation and it represents a negative number. Then we simply add this number with a positive number. We add this number to what is this? We perform addition or here this is 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then simply perform a addition of both number. Not here we use a subtraction, we use only the concept of addition with the help of a 2's complement. What is the result? 1 1 0, carry goes here, 1 1 again 0, carry 1 goes here, then this is 1, again 1 here, this is 1, again carry goes here, this is 1, again carry goes here, this is again 1, again carry goes here, this is 1 1 0 again carry goes here, this is 0 and this is the next. There is no values in the bits in the next, that's why we simply write a carry. So this is the result, and in a result here we see that the result containing a 9 bits means the numbers are represented in 8-bit format, but the result containing a 9 bit. This means this is the extra carry bit. What is this? This is the extra carry bit, and this extra carry bit represents a result is positive. This means result is positive. And what is the result? Result is what? Rest, ignore the carry bit, ignore extra carry bit, and rest of the bits numbers represents result. So simply what is result here? Result is, this implies what is result? Result is equal to, ignore the carry bit, this is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. What is this? When we find a binary equivalent of this number, this is what? This is 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2. Rest are 0, that is equal to 60. So this result is same as this result. This means this is the way of performing a subtraction with the help of Touche complement. Let us take another example. This is case third. Case third is when subtrahend is greater than the minute. Subtrahend is great. Just take a reverse example. Suppose here 65 minus 125. What will be the result? Result is minus 60. How we use the Touche complement to find this result? Here, because subtraction is performed through addition, to first write a 65 in a binary equivalent in 8-bit format. This is what? 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is a binary equivalent of 65. Then we find a binary equivalent of plus 125. Binary equivalent of plus 125 in 8-bit format. Binary equivalent of plus 125 in 8-bit format. Binary format. So what is this? This is simply, this means 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. This is the plus 125 representation in 8-bit format. And then for finding a binary equivalent, we simply take a Touche complement of it. Touche complement of it. Touche complement of it means, that is, here we take a Touche complement starting from least significant bit up to first non-zero bit, the digits retain as it is. So this is 1, and then every 0 is replaced by 1, and 1 is replaced by 0. This is 1, this is 0 0 0 0 0 1. This means what is this? Is in 8-bit format, and then we add this number with this number. This is what? 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. What will be the result when we perform addition? What will be the result? This is 1 1 0. Again carry goes here, then again 1 1 0, 1 carry goes here, this is 1, then there is no carry, 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Here we see that there is no carry. Here we see that the result is also containing 8-bit. There, this means there is no extraneous bit or no carry bit here. This means what? If there is no carry bit here, no carry bit, this means the result is negative. And since here we perform a binary subtraction with the help of Touche complement, then what is final result? Then final result is equal to minus of Touche complement of obtained result. Touche complement of obtained result. So what is the Touche complement of obtained result? So this is what? Because only 8 number of bits, so simply we take a Touche complement of this and then put minus sign in front of this number. So this is equal to what? Minus of, what is Touche complement of this? This means when we find Touche starting from least significant bit up to first non-zero bit, the bits retain as it is. So these 3 bits are retained as it is, because this is the first non-zero bit, and then every 0 are replaced by 1. So there are 3 0 1 1 1, and then every 1 is replaced by 0. So this is the result minus of this, and when we convert this result in decimal form, then this is what? This is the 2 to the power 0 1 2 3 4 5. This means this is minus of 2 to the power 4 plus 5 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2, that is equal to, when we sum up all, this is minus 60. So this is the process when case third happens, means subtrahend is larger than the minute. What happens when we do the same thing, means perform subtraction with the help of 1's complement. This is a similar process, and similar results occurs when we perform a binary subtraction with the help of 1's complement. So in case suppose the binary subtraction using 1's complement, binary subtraction using 1's complement, here suppose two numbers are there, 125 and minus 65. Here what is this? 125, this number is positive, we write a binary equivalent. There is no need of converting it in a 1's complement. 1's complement is same as the 1's complement of any positive number, that is same as the binary equivalent in a given bit format. So this is what? That is 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. What happens when we represent a minus 65? So this is what? First we, for representing a minus 65, we use a concept of 1's complement. So first find binary equivalent in 8-bit format of 65. So what is binary equivalent of 65 in 8-bit format? That is 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of 65, positive 65. Then take its 1's complement. For representing minus 65, we take 1's complement or 2's complement. We already do the 2's complement, here we use a 1's complement. So what is 1's complement? This is simply, that is, in 1's complement every 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. This is what? 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Then simply we add this number here plus this 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. This is written in extra 0. This is also 1 here. This is 1 0. What will be the result? The result is, by using a 1's complement, simply what will be the result? Result is when we add both number, this is 1 0, that is 1, this is 1 0 1, then 1 1 0, carry goes 1 here, then again 1, carry gets 1 here, 1, carry again goes 1, then again carry goes here, then again here 0, the carry 1 goes here, then 0, and this is here. Here there is a extra bit in the result, because we add two numbers in 8-bit format and result also containing a 8 bit, but here there is a extra carry bit. This is known as extra carry bit. So just like as 2's complement, if there is a extra carry bit, this means result is positive. This shows that the result is positive. Now the question is, what is the result? To simply we add this carry bit in the LSB of rest of the bits, and what we obtain, that is the final result. The final result is equal to what? Then final result is equal to, simply we take a rest of the bits excluding this carry bit. This is 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, and then we add this carry bit here. What will be this? This is 1 1 0, then carry goes here, then 1 1, again 0, carry goes 1 here, then this is 1, then simply 1 1 0 0. What will be the? This is 1 1 1 0, 1 goes carry, then 1 1 0, then again this is 1. This is written in the form of 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 bit. Here this is also written as, this means what will be the result? That is the result is, this is also one here. So result is when we obtain a binary equivalent of this decimal equivalent of this number. So this is also written as 60 in base 10. So what will be? This is the process, means if there is any extra carry bit, the result is positive. And what will be the result in case of when we perform a subtraction arithmetic by using a ones complement? This extra carry is added with a LSB of rest of the bits, and what will be the result? That is the final result. Now what happens when we perform subtrahend is larger and we perform its arithmetic subtraction by using a ones complement notation? So here suppose this number is minus 125 and plus this is 65. Our first number is simply 65 minus 125. The result is what? Minus 60. And how we do the same thing here? 65 is nothing but it is written in a 8-bit format because it is a positive number. To 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1, and minus 125, first we convert a binary equivalent of plus 125. This is written as 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1, and then take its ones complement. What is ones complement? Means every 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0. This is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0, and then this represents what? This represents a minus 125, and add this here plus 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. When we simply perform addition of two binary number, the result is 1 0 1 1. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1 1. Here we see that there is no carry bit. This means result is negative. Result is what? Result is negative. And now the question is, what will be the result? So simply the result, final result is equal to what? Ones complement of obtained result. Ones complement of obtained result. What is the ones complement of obtained result? When we perform, this is the obtained result, this is the obtained result. When we take a ones complement, means every 0 is replaced by 1 in obtained result and every 1 is replaced by 0. This is simply written as 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 minus of ones complement. This final result is what? Minus of ones complement of obtained result. So this is final result is equal to what? Minus of this and when we convert a decimal equivalent of this, this is written as minus of 60 in base 10. So in this way, just 2 minutes. In this way, simply suppose now the fourth scenario is what? When both number are negative. both numbers are negative, then simply what happens here, like as first number is minus 60 and another number is minus 65. So here this is also written as minus 60 plus minus 65. Here first we will find the binary equivalent, binary of 60 and binary of 65, and then find a ones complement of it. The binary of 60 in 8-bit format, this is simply represented as what? This is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. What is 65? That is binary of 65, that is 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Then we take for representing, this is the for plus 60, this is minus 65 plus 65, and for taking a ones complement of it, so this is ones complement 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, and when we find a ones complement of this is what? 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. Then simply we perform a addition, like as this plus this. So what is here? That means this is 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. What will be the result here? We see that 1 0, then 1 1 again 0, then carry goes here, then again 0, carry goes here, 0 0 0 1, and then again carry goes here. Here simply we see that if there is a carry, and we see that what will be the sign bit. Here we see that this is the 8-bit representation of first number, this is the 8-bit representation of second number, and in both numbers the sign bit is 1. This means in both number we take its complement, that means the numbers are negative, and here the sign bit is also 1. This means the number is also negative, means the result is what? The result is also negative, and there is a extra carry bit, and simply here we ignore this carry bit and we take the ones complement of rest of the bits. The ones complement of rest of the bits are what? Here ones complement of, and this 1 is added here, this carry 1 is added here, extra carry. It's so there simply we take ones complement of it, ones complement, then we take ones complement of the result, that is what? This is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0, and this is what? This is nothing but this represents a 125 in. So the result is what? Negative of this, because this bit is same as this bit and this bit, this means the result is negative. And what is the result? So simply the result is what? Result is minus of ones complement of the obtained. Similar we do in case of a 2's complement representation. So this is all over about binary subtraction with the help of complements, ones complement and 2's complement. And in the next lecture we will discuss about binary codes. Thank you.